In this lesson, we are going to learn about the PageView widget. Instead of creating a whole new page for a screen, PageView widget allows user to just swipe across multiple pages. With the PageView, users do not need to swipe across the screen from end to end. This allows an effortless navigation-like effect. We will look at how to declare a page controller and use the builder function to create the PageView widget. Lastly, we will set the onPageChanged function, which gets called every time user swipes to a new page. Now, let's get started. Today we are going to learn about the PageView widget. A PageView is a widget that can implement multiple pages on one screen. If we think of PageView as a book, it's easy to understand. Typically, one page is implemented on one screen, but we can implement this widget to pass multiple pages like a book on one screen. The creation method is similar to list view, and we need to set the controller. The controller can use Page Controller to decide which screen to start with and how many viewports to use. We are going to run this code and look at the result screen. As you can see, if we slide to the right, it goes to other pages. First, we are going to generate a page controller. We can use the controller to determine the first page and the viewport. Set initial page to 0 and viewport fraction to 1. If we just listen to the explanation, we may not feel it. So let's change the value. Let's set initial page to 1 and viewport fraction to 2. Let's try running this code. So we start at page 2 in this case because initial page is set to 1. And scrolling up the viewport has increased the visual workload of the page. Set PageView Builder. The page controller declared earlier will be the controller property. PageView has an onPageChanged callback. This is a function that is triggered by a page transformation. We don't have to use it with the features you need. Set item count to 5, which means the number of pages to 5. Build an item that turns blue with gradients through Item Builder. Set the container with the return value and adjust the color to opacity using the with opacity function. Set the opacity value to index times 0.2. In that case, the first page will be white because the index is 0. And the more we turn the page, the darker the blue it will get. Now practice this for yourself in Dartpad or locally and see the different results and outputs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.